Day 3. Got our little bantams and Americanas. The bantams are the bigger ones. Americanas are the little colorful guys or girls. Hopefully girls. The bantams are non-sexed and the Americanas have been sexed. So should have like 90% on the Americanas. So I raised the water up because they are putting litter in it and scratching. I put a little board over there, as I said yesterday, to just kind of reduce it a little bit, but not helping a lot. I'm trying to keep it clean. They're eating more than I remembered the last ones. That's probably normal. And good. But that's the main thing, trying to get the water. I had it hung up before on my last run, but this time I'm just setting it up. So that's it. Not a lot of news to report. You can see they're all doing really good. The main thing you look for is any signs of distress, you know, or any of them looking weak and inactive, injured, anything like that, because we got Giganticus here, who's so much bigger than the rest of them. The other two black ones are a lot bigger. Those 3 are bantams, supposed to be smaller, but they're a little older, so you see all these little guys. Anybody want to be on YouTube today? What about you? Anybody? Oh, we got a chick here. No, not here. Just happened to be there. The light's working good. They get under there when they feel a little cool. As I've said in the other 2 videos, the light is off during the daytime, and I cover this up, so they're kind of backwards, but in lieu of infrared, that's what I do, because in the daytime in this room on the back of my house, it's probably around, it's a side room to a sunroom, and we're in Florida, so it's probably about at least 80-85. I'd say 85 most of the time. It would probably be hotter, except I open one of the windows, so I'm trying to keep it in the 85 range like you're supposed to. And then it's getting late, so it's probably about 7 or so, and I'm feeding, watering, doing everything. So I go ahead and turn on the light because it's starting to cool down a little bit in here, probably in the 80-ish range. And so yeah, I'll just turn the light on, and they'll have the light till tomorrow late morning, and then we'll turn the light off, cover the cage so it's pretty dark. It's not like pitch dark, but it's fairly dark in here when I cover everything up. And that be day 3 of the little Americana and Bantam chickens. Look at those guys. Oh, stop now. They're having a little tussle there. They don't seem to be hurting each other, they're just playing a lot. But yeah, everybody looks good. If you guys see anything that looks wrong, you probably know more than me. The last time I had chickens, and I shared them all out with everybody, but we started with 18 and none of them died until some of them started trying to cockle-doodle-doo, and then yeah, that was it. So thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow when they will be 4 days here. So that's about 6 days old. So that's what you're looking at right now, is about 5 or 6 days at most. I'm not sure exactly, but they say within 24 hours of hatching they try to ship them out. So I'm guessing they're about that old. So like, watch, share the video, and yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to easily discover new content. See you in the next video.